So then I said to him, "Oh, Liquidator Brunt, what an unexpected surprise." "Quark, I've been monitoring your sales. You haven't turned a profit in 4 months. We've decided to replace you. She's had the most repeat customers of anyone I've ever seen. She was the bartender on a starship. They had nowhere else to go. Take it to the Nagus, Quark. So tell me, Guinan, what did you do to get your sales up at your former job?"
Sales? Everything was free.
"Quark! Quark!"